out this Corvair here at Unique, especially in classics. This is an interesting one. 1963 Chevrolet Corvair Monza 900 Spyder Convertible. So this would be the flat six turbocharged engine. 4-speed manual transmission. Let's go ahead and take a look at the chrome up front, headlight surrounds. 934 paint code, Cordovan brown, and saddle interior 705 trim. So still looks very much the way it would have looked back in '63 when it rolled off the Chevrolet dealer's showroom floor. Now there's a few imperfections in the paint. Does it have a nice shine to it and still show well? Absolutely. But it has had a repaint. You can see there's some little spots in the clear. Be a great car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. You just don't see a lot of these, especially in the Spyder with the turbocharged engine. Take a look at the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. That's going to take you right to our website where all the still pictures are. You'll see the underside, interior, engine bay. You can also call us 507-386-1726. Wire wheel covers. Of course, here's your Monza 900 Spyder insignia, and that is how the data tag decodes. You'll be able to see the data tag, the VIN plate, all of that in the still pictures. Let's go ahead and take a look down the passenger side of this car. Again, vinyl interior. Saddle is the original interior color of this car. 4-speed manual. We're going to put the top up at the end of the video too and check out the condition of that, and we'll also take this car for a drive so you can see how it goes down the road, kind of take you for a virtual ride if you will. There's also spare parts in the storage compartment, I guess trunk if you will, underneath the bonnet or the front of the car. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. There's the turbocharged emblem on the rear of it. I believe General Motors' second turbocharged car, believe it or not. A little trivia out there. What was the first one? Would have been a General Motors lineup vehicle. It was not a Chevrolet. UniqueClassicCars.com. Take your time looking through the still pictures, and any comments, questions, anything, make sure you leave us a note down below in the comments underneath this video. So we take a peek at the driver's side, and you can see, like I said, there's imperfections here or there in the paint. There might be just a little scratch or a little bit of a touch-up or something minor like that. But hey, this is a car. Get in, drive it, have some fun. Top down Sunday afternoon, Saturday afternoon, going to a roll-in. Like I said, car cruise. Door panels. Seat belts, as you can see, and also vinyl. Looks like it's free of any major rips, tears, holes. All right, something else on these I want to show you. With the Spyder, you would have your multi-gauge cluster. So you actually have a tack over here. Obviously, the shift light was added. And then you have a manifold, intake manifold, pressure gauge, and then also your cylinder head temperature. Let's go ahead and start this up so you can hear it run. I'm in neutral. I have had the stereo power up. I'm not getting any reception with it, just so you know. Take a look at the top of the dash. Of course, back in the 60s, why not have an ashtray on the dash? We're going to let this warm up a little bit. It is a cold-blooded, a little bit of a cold-blooded car. Didn't notice that earlier. Tack is working. You can see cylinder head temperature. That was a cold start. Might have to fire her up one more time here. We'll see if it warms up enough or not. Might be all right. So I want to show you the engine bay with it running. Take a look at that turbocharger. It's gonna take me 2 hands to get this, how this latch is, maybe not. There we go. All right, there it is. So flat 6 with that Spyder turbocharger on there. Of course, you do have your data tag right here, the rim plates in the door. You'll be able to see that all in the still pictures. Battery disconnect back here, rear-mounted battery. And in the still pictures, you're also going to be able to see the storage compartment up front. There are some extra parts and what have you to go with it. It's a pretty cool engine bay. Fun car to drive. And like I said, we're going to take this out at the end of the video, put a camera in here, take this down the road, show you how it goes down the road. In the meantime, I'm going to get this convertible top up, check out the condition of that. And here it is with the top up. So fabric top, cloth or fabric top. It's got a saddle color to match the interior. Nice tight fit on this. Latch as well, nice tight fit above the windshield. I rolled up the side glass, look at that. There's even a little overhang. Water's not gonna seep through those tops of the windows. Nice clear rear window also. I just folded the parade boot back so we could get the top up. We'll display it in our showroom with the top down and that parade boot back on there. So just want to show you quick the condition of the top. It's a nice shape. Free of rips, tears, holes. Really much of any wrinkles or anything. Again, nice tight fit on the passenger side. Side glass fits up in there nicely. Be a fun car. And you won't see a lot of them. 1963 Chevrolet Corvair Monza 900 Spyder convertible with that turbocharged flat 6 4-speed. Fun one to drive with the top down. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1963 Chevrolet Corvair. This car would be a convertible, and we do have the top up today. This is a 4-speed on the floor. Smooth running Corvair. Factory tachometer is working, speedometer also working. We have a manifold inches, which would probably be vacuum. That sitting right in the middle of the gauge. Fuel gauge is reading over half. The temperature gauge is reading about a third of the way up the gauge. That all looks pretty good. This car runs nice and smooth. We have a nice feel on the highway here. Vinyl bucket seats. A little bit of slack in the steering, not enough to cause any issues. Brakes are working well. Another small light car, easy to steer. Corners well, as a 63 Corvair should corner. These always feel very responsive in the steering. I think it's just because they're light. Nice smooth ride down the road. If I let go of the wheel, this car stays in the straight great car to take out on a summer day with the top down. You won't see too many Corvairs. Take a look at all these pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.